What if I told you cancer has a favorite food, and you're probably feeding it every day? It's sugar. And if you want to beat cancer or avoid it altogether, the first thing you need to do is cut it off at the source. The best way to weaken cancer's fuel supply is to eliminate sugar. Whether you're fighting cancer now or trying to prevent it, reducing or removing sugar gives your body a critical advantage. Cancer cells are metabolic monsters. Unlike healthy cells that can run on fat or sugar, many cancer cells are heavily reliant on glucose to grow and survive. This is known as the Warburg Effect, first described in the 1920s by Nobel Prize-winning scientist Otto Warburg. He found that cancer cells consume glucose up to 200 times faster than normal cells and rely on fermentation, even in the presence of oxygen. Modern research backs this up. A 2017 study published in Nature Communications confirmed that high sugar intake turbocharges the growth of tumors. PET scans detect cancer by tracing radioactive glucose because tumors light up where sugar goes. If you're eating sugar, even hidden forms, you're feeding cancer. White sugar, high fructose corn syrup, fruit juice and soda, processed snacks, cereals and baked goods, refined carbohydrates that convert to sugar in your body, like white bread, pasta, crackers. It's not just what you see on the label, it's what those carbs become inside your bloodstream. If you want to cut off the fuel, switch to a low-glycemic, anti-inflammatory real food diet. Load up on leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, garlic, and onions. Include high-quality proteins like wild-caught fish, pasture-raised meats, and eggs. Add healthy fats, avocado, olive oil, coconut oil, nuts, seeds. Use therapeutic fasting or time-restricted eating if medically safe. Consider a ketogenic diet under medical supervision. Research shows that keto may help starve glucose-hungry cancer cells while nourishing healthy cells. Exercise increases insulin sensitivity and helps burn excess glucose. Good sleep supports immune surveillance and hormonal balance. Stress reduction lowers cortisol, which otherwise promotes sugar cravings. Fasting and metabolic therapy are being actively researched as tools to fight cancer through sugar restriction. Cancer loves sugar. Your body doesn't. The choice is yours. You can starve the disease or you can feed it. Cut the sugar, fuel the healing. Because food is medicine.